This is the hand model of the brain, life-changing if you listen in. So what you have is the wrist is the brainstem. Then when you're 2 years of age, hippocampus and amygdala starts to form. That's why you have no cognitive memory before the age of 2. Hippocampus and amygdala, that's emotion and memory, are located together. Then wrapping around it, the front part of your brain here is called the frontal lobe of the prefrontal cortex. Now the prefrontal cortex has a function in making you have control over your life. So what happens when you have a very strong emotion is your prefrontal cortex goes offline and you're left with emotion and memory. Why is this important? So let me just talk you through my own lived experience of how this works. I was driving along here like this, in control of my life, and something fell off a lorry in front of me and took the front of my car off. Okay, so immediately I go into fight flight, and this is an emotional response. Okay, so then I'm fearing for my life and my brain goes offline. I am then safe, and then I start crying. Why? Because my emotions come back online. I then say to myself, I'm in shock, and my prefrontal cortex comes back online. Why is this important? It shows you this hand model can help you when you have extreme emotion. Because when you're in an emotional response, if you use language, interesting, or if you start kind of understanding, your prefrontal cortex comes back online and controls your emotions. This is called the hand model of the brain by psychiatrist Dan Siegel. Thank you for listening.